Understanding remote desktop security.
Remote desktop access allows you to connect to computers from anywhere, making work more flexible than ever. However, this convenience comes with risks, as attackers often target remote desktop connections. By following essential security practices, you can significantly reduce your chances of unauthorized access and keep your data safe.
Use strong authentication methods.
Always set strong, unique passwords for all remote desktop accounts. Whenever possible, enable two-factor authentication or multi-factor authentication. This adds an extra barrier beyond just a password, greatly decreasing the likelihood of someone gaining access to your remote sessions without permission.
Limit remote access privileges.
Grant remote desktop access only to users who need it for their work. Avoid using administrator accounts for routine remote sessions. Instead, create separate user accounts with limited permissions to reduce the risk if credentials are ever compromised.
Keep software and systems updated.
Regularly update your remote desktop software, operating system, and antivirus programs. Software updates often include important security patches that protect against known vulnerabilities. Set automatic updates where possible and routinely check for any new versions of remote access tools.
Secure remote connections with encryption.
Always use encrypted connections for remote desktop sessions. Look for settings that enable protocols like TLS or SSL, ensuring data sent between devices is protected from eavesdropping. Consider using a virtual private network, or VPN, to add an extra secure layer when connecting from outside trusted networks.
Monitor and log remote desktop activity.
Enable logging for all remote desktop connections. Regularly review access logs to detect any unusual or unauthorized login attempts. Early detection helps prevent data breaches and allows you to respond quickly to potential threats against your remote desktop environment.